Berber Scree says, if you appreciate my help, then please hit subscribe. Subscribe right here. Subscribe. Oh, yep, right there, subscribe. And if you like, maybe it would be helpful if you also like. Please like. Thank you very much, says the Berber Scree bird. Hi, it's Mark Kilgore, the bedbug engineer, and Sosa, the bedbug engineering tech, sleeping on the job. Oh, there he is. Okay. Who's not sleeping on the job? Who's doing a good job? Okay, what are we covering? What are we covering today, Sosa? Okay, we're covering laundry. We're covering that you want to do laundry at least once a week. Laundry meaning wash your clothes and also dry your clothes in a heated dryer. Okay. Including all your bed coverings, and I mean like this. All right. Here's what you'd be like. Here's what I got down to sleeping with, because I took off my blanket and would just sleep with a sheet and pillows and this whatchamacallit, this mattress cover here. Okay, so on every weekend, on Saturday, I would be taking those things off. Well, I'd be inspecting really carefully. You know, as I take it off, make sure there's no bed bugs anywhere, including on the mattress. You know, you're moving carefully. You're keeping everything, all your movements above the mattress in case anything falls, anything meaning a bed bug falls off, that it falls off on the mattress and you can grab him. You'd be taking off all your pillowcases from your pillows and washing and drying them. Same with your sheet. Anything that is on your bed that you use, you know, to sleep. Step on a squeaky dog toy. And so you're doing your laundry, including your clothes that are dirty, once a week minimum. Your laundry meaning including everything on your bed at least once a week, at least every 7 days. And there's my laundry basket. It's empty. Why? Because when you got bed bugs, you don't use your laundry basket. You use the bathtub, because the bathtub is a big climb-up trap. So all my dirty clothes are in there, and you know, I would be scooping them up and getting them in the washing machine quickly. You know, don't let it a chance for a bed bug to walk over and dangle out and let himself fall off the side or anything like that on the floor. You know, you do clean work, you get it in there quickly. You've got your water temperature set up to about 130 degrees or more on your hot water heater, and also your dryer, you're going to want to use a heated cycle, which should get it to at least 120 degrees minimum, and so therefore you'd be killing bed bugs in your washing machine. And in case they did happen to somehow survive your washing machine, then you kill them in the dryer. And so that is this segment here, and it is your laundry. doing your laundry at least once a week, including everything that is on your bed, your mattress cover, your sheet, and your pillowcases. And you're inspecting it all really good when you're taking it off, and you're inspecting your bed really good when all the laundry's done and you're ready to put it back on. You're inspecting your bed really good before you put it back on. You've got to keep your bed a bed bug safe island. And that's why you always use climb up traps and make that the only way that they can get there. And that's why everything's gapped. And I prefer to not use a headboard. That just gives them infinite more places and ways to hide. Okay, so that's it for this week. Sosa, did I do an okay job? Sosa says that if I did an okay job, then you think I'm helping out humanity and doing also great work for Jesus, then subscribe, please. And if you want to hit like, then we appreciate that very much too, don't we, Sosa? And also, there's a pretty decent video right here, and also this one here. And Sosa says this one right here. Yep.